Hello out there in the webs. I'm going to show you my Chamorro chicken thighs, bone in, skin. Of course, the goal here is to get that crispy charcoal skin, making sure that the cook time was good. What I did was I did skin side down 5 minutes, and then turned it over 5 minutes, skin side down again, so I can keep those juices. And then I flip them over on this side. Here we go. Chamorro 2-hour mixture, 2-hour marinade. Nothing else but that. All right, the aha moment. Let's take one of these pieces, cut it up so you can see what it looks like on the inside. I'll just go and grab this one here. Just taking a little hit on that skin to see how that is going. Get that cover back on. Cover it on. Okay, so, how do you want to cut it? I washed my hands, so to let everybody know, I just want to go ahead and let's just cut it here where, I think you heard that. Now let's see the skin. Definitely crispy, cooked through and through, charcoal flavor. Success. Success.